Have you ever wondered why Robert Kiyosaki, the legendary financial expert and best-selling author, never trusted U.S. money? In this eye-opening video, we will dive deep into the reasons why Kiyosaki believes the U.S. dollar is not to be trusted and what alternative options he suggests for securing your financial future. Welcome to the world of financial enlightenment, where I'll be your guide in unraveling the truth behind Robert Kiyosaki's lack of trust in U.S. money. Before we begin, let's shed some light on who Robert Kiyosaki is. He is the renowned author of the groundbreaking book Rich Dad, Poor Dad, which has transformed the lives of millions worldwide. Kiyosaki became a multi-millionaire by investing in real estate and businesses, while demonstrating exceptional financial intelligence. According to Kiyosaki, the main reason he doesn't trust U.S. money is due to the government's reckless monetary policies. These policies, he argues, lead to the devaluation of the U.S. dollar over time. Just think about it for a moment. Have you noticed the rising costs of everyday essentials such as housing, food, and education? Kiyosaki believes this is a direct result of the declining value of the U.S. dollar. To further emphasize his point, Kiyosaki often cites historical data to demonstrate just how rapidly the U.S. dollar has lost its purchasing power over the years. He firmly believes that relying solely on the U.S. dollar is a risky financial strategy. So, if Robert Kiyosaki doesn't trust U.S. money, what does he recommend instead? One of Kiyosaki's preferred alternatives is investing in precious metals, such as gold and silver. Throughout history, gold has stood the test of time as a reliable hedge against inflation and economic uncertainty. Additionally, Kiyosaki urges individuals to consider investing in real estate. He believes that owning income-generating properties can provide a steady cash flow while also serving as a valuable asset that can appreciate in value over time. But it doesn't stop there. Kiyosaki also suggests investing in businesses and acquiring financial literacy. By doing so, individuals can tap into the power of generating passive income and achieving financial independence. Now, you may be wondering, why should I care about Robert Kiyosaki's perspective on U.S. money? Well, countless individuals around the world have found immense value in Kiyosaki's teachings. They have successfully implemented his strategies and achieved financial freedom in their own lives. As Kiyosaki himself once said, "It's not how much money you make, but how much money you keep, how hard it works for you, and how many generations you keep it for." So, my friend, take charge of your financial future. Explore the alternatives to U.S. money that Robert Kiyosaki champions. Seek knowledge, diversify your investments, and unlock the path to financial prosperity. If you found this video enlightening, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content just like this.